I turned my old Cyberdeck Raspberry Pi into a portable privacy router. Some of you may remember, but for those who don't, this Pi 3B Plus used to be the host computer for my Cyberdeck project, but then I upgraded to the Zima Blade, which by the way, link in the description, and then I just had a random Pi laying around, and you know, unused compute is wasted compute. And I automatically thought about making a secure router that can connect to any network, secure or unsecure, and create a secure separate bridge network behind it. One of the coolest features about this project is that a lot of it relies solely on USB power banks. Now I have a fancy little short adapter for the bank in the Pi, but you can use any charger or anything that's supported by the ports. We're going to be running OpenWrt on this Pi, so what you're going to need is an SD to USB card adapter. Go ahead and insert your SD card. And you saw this coming. Go ahead and insert it into your computer. Once you select your hardware in the image, you should be able to write it. Now make sure that you're writing this to the correct storage drive because it will erase everything. And once that's done flashing, you can insert it back into the Pi and connect all the cables. As you can see here, I've set a static IP address, and this is because I run static routes. You most likely won't have to do this. When you're logging into the root console via SSH for the first time, you'll notice that it doesn't prompt you for a password, and this is something you'll want to immediately change with the command password. Now every time that you log into the console or the web UI, it'll prompt you for your password. Speaking of the web UI, you can access it by using the default IP of the Pi in any browser window. For this project, instead of creating a network and interface, we're actually going to have to join in client mode, using the wireless radio to join our wireless network, or your Wi-Fi. I had originally planned to use this USB Wi-Fi adapter as the uplink, but I ran into several hardware and driver errors, as I always do. But man, did this thing look sick. And as you can see, it's giving out DHCP addresses and successfully transmitting a working internet connection. And now with OpenWrt and the software setup, I have a secure network connection everywhere I go, or driving or watching YouTube. If you enjoyed this type of content and want to learn more about security, I recommend checking out GhostStrats. And if you're interested in the hardware and project, I recommend checking out my friend Shuriken Hacks. And that is the end of today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all learned something. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around. Arcanet out.